Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po bang hiyawan dyan? Marami pong salamat. I always believe that the best thing to be accepted is just to be yourself. Maayong gabi na iyo, tanan. What should I say? Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Again, my name is Pearl Andrea Huben. Hayaan niyo ho muna akong gumamit ng isang babaeng artistang kutis mayaman at walang galis. Ang nang-agaw sa jowa ni Catherine Bernardo. Ang nag-iisang Andrea Brillantes. Andrea Brillantes nag-iiwan ng isang katagang ang tunay na reyna. Wala sa tao, kundi nasa baraha. Marami pong salamat.
If a diamond is polished by friction, a man is perfected by trial. A glorious evening to each and everyone, especially to the Board of Judges. My name is Georgie Peña, 22 years old, stunner from Binondo, Manila. But tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name ang babaeng nagpatibok sa puso ni Mr. Drew Arellano. Opo, ako nga po ang nag-iisang Miss Iya Villania. Iya Villania na nag-iwan ng isang katagang kung ang kalabasa ni Mama nakakapagpalinaw ng mata. Pwes, ba't di masubukan ang talong ni Papa nang tumirik ang iyong mata?
Distinguished guests, friends, allies of a rainbow community, to honorable panel of judges, and people of this barangay, good evening. Each and every candidate wants to be remarkable, and for I'm not most the biggest nor largest costume that wearing for tonight, but I truly believe that simplicity is beauty, and being simple is truly remarkable. What a glamorous, spectacular evening, my dear friends, ladies and gentlemen. A girl standing before you is a fresh and innocent, just 18 years old stunner. I'm truly all the way from Basquinated, majestic way. Beautiful places from the home of generous people of Santa Cruz, Manila. I am Kim Quinones, but tonight this is a pageant. Please me to allow me to tantalize myself up a little bit sexy, a little bit hot, glamorous, elite beauty queen. I am your Miss Grand International 2024 first runner-up. I am Miss CJ of Piazza. But tonight, I believe that ang tao nagpapaktaas ay siyang ibinababa. At ang tao nagpapakababa ay siyang itinataas. Judges, mark my number because I will give you a best show and a night to remember. Thank you.
Once again.
Na palakpakan. Hindi ako gaganahan kung walang hiyawan. Ang babae nang galing pa ko sa ABS-CBN 2. My name is Vice. Vice ganda at nag-iiwan po ng isang kawili-wili ang katagang. Hindi lahat ng kabayo ay nasa kwadra. Yung iba, nasa backstage pa. At yung isa,
Kasunod ko na. Hindi naman ho ako manalo sa inyong patimpalak. Sapat na po sa akin ang yawan at inyong palakpakan. Ngayon ko po, Santa Cruz, Manila. And I thank you.
Sa haba-haba po ng aking pinagdaanan, wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Maraming salamat. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I care now what they say about the color of my skin. I let the brilliant light of my soul blind them. But tonight will be the best for people who make the best out of the way things turn out. For hope is better than fear. Optimism is always better than despair. So let us all be loving, hopefully optimistic, so we can have to change a better world. Maayong gabi muli sa inyong tanan, or should I say, a pleasant evening to everyone. My name is Nikki Brillantes. 22 years of age. Stunner. All the way from the city of a whole living beauty queen, Santa Cruz, Manila. But tonight, please do allow me to start by the name, the woman who captured the heart of Mr. Jago Loizaga. At ang babaeng nagpatibok sa puso ng nag-iisang Paul Salas. At ngayon ay nagpapatibok sa puso ng nag-iisang Richard Gutierrez. Sabay-sabay po nating palakpakan at hiyawan ang maningka ng teleserye Primetime Bida, Miss Barbie Imperial.
Hello! Hi! And mabuhay! Kamusta po kayo? Sa layo-layo man ho ng aking pinanggalingan, wala ho bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin ho bang hiyawan dyan? Maraming salamat po. Ngayong gabi po, ibahin ho natin ang pamantayan ng kagandahan. Ganda po ng iilan, sexy ng karamihan, papantayan. Minsan pa nga po ay hihigitan ng bisexual na nasa inyong harapan. At ngayong gabi po, hindi nyo ho matatakasan ang katotohanan na ang baklang nilait nyo po sa paumagahan, kinutya nyo po sa pinanghalian. Ngayong gabi po, inyo po pinagpupuyatan at higit sa lahat, inyo pong pinapalakpakan. A glamorous evening to each and everyone. By the way, my name is Brian Taganas, and I am a second college student from College of St. Catherine. Pero ngayong gabi ho, hayaan niyo pong gayahin ko ang isang katauhan na minsan na po nag-isang taong lobo sa palabas na lalo na sangre. At minsan na rin po lumipad sa hipapawin at lumunok na puting bato bilang si Darna. Opo, bakit hindi niyo ho sabay-sabay palakpakan at hiyawan ang nag-iisang legendaryo, Miss Binibining Angel Locsin. Angel Locsin na nagsasabi at nag-iiwan po na isang paalala na sa lahat ho ng mga baklang naririto ngayong gabi, kung gusto po natin respetuhin tayo ng taong nasa paligid natin, matuto po muna tayong respetuhin ang sarili natin. Sapagkat ang respeto po, hindi po yan hinihingi, hindi rin po yan inililimos, bagkus ito'y kusang pinagkakaloob sa taong respeto. By the way, judges, the national costume that I'm wearing for tonight is truly all the way from Candaba, Pampanga, the Ibon Festival of the Philippines. Maraming salamat po.
Bakla, pinakain naman kayo ng Jollibee.
Dito po sa ating mundong ginagalawan, kailanman hindi naging pamantayan kung anong uryontas ng pamumuhay mayroon ka. At lalong hindi naging pamantayan kung gaano ka ba kapangit o kung gaano ka ba kaganda. Kaya kung di ka man pinagpala ng angking kagandahan, huwag kang mabahala, aking kaibigan. Dahil ang tunay na pamantayan ng Diyos ng kagandahan ay kung ano ang nagagawa mong kabutihan. A glamorous evening to each and everyone. Standing in front of your naked eyes are very fresh. Yes, fresh, no fresh. A 19-year-old stunner from Blooming Treat, Santa Cruz, Manila. Graduated a Bachelor of Science and Education, major in Filipino at the Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Maynila. And yes, I'm your showtime, Miss Q&A, Season 1, Top 10, Grand Finalist, and my name is Odessa Jones, na nagsasabing ang tunay na reyna, wala po yan sa edad, wala po yan sa ganda, kundi nasa iyong pagdadala. Judges, mark my number because I will give you the best show to remember. And that will be all. God bless you all. Love you all. Thank you.
Candidate number 8, Miss Odessa Jones.
19 years old.
19.
Naiintindihan na natin yun.
Dapat hindi lang ID, dapat may drug testing.
Sa nilayo-layo pa po ng aking pinanggalingan, wala po ba palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po bang hiyawan dyan? Maraming salamat po. Kung ang Diyosa ng kagandahan ay matatagpuan sa inyong harapan, samantalang ang perlas ng silanganan ay masisilayan sa gitna ng karagatan. Hi, hello, and mabuhay. My real name is Ashley Lopez, who's rolling all the way from the home of the most beautiful women in the world, Barangay 349, Zone 35, Santa Cruz, City of Manila. And I am a proud graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management, at pamantasan ng lungsod ng Maynila, magna cum laude. But since this is a pageant, please do allow me to stand by the name of ang babaeng bumihag sa pihikan at natutulog na puso ni Mr. Gerald Anderson. Ang babaeng inyong nasilayan sa pelikulang Unhappy for You. Opo, ako nga po. Bakit hindi niyo po subukang hiyawan at palakpakan ang nag-iisang kahulma at kawangis ni Binibining Julia Barreto? Binibining Julia Barreto na nagsasabing, hindi lahat ng masarap ay pwede mong tikman. In short, wag ako, iba na lang. And I, thank you.
That's candidate number 9.
According to Leonardo da Vinci, that simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. That's why I stand in front of you as a simple transgender Filipina who has a simple dream. Just tonight, be your beauty queen. Pleasant good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, board of judges. My name is Kim Bermudez Morales, all the way from Barangay 323, headed by Danny Tan. A graduate of Fine Arts, major in advertising at a Far Eastern University. Tonight, please let me carry the image of your one and only Miss International 2016, Miss Kylie Versosa. And saying, mahirap po magpakababae kung hindi ako tunay na babae. Mahirap din po magpakalalaki kung hindi rin ako tunay na lalaki. Subalit mas mahirap po ang magpakatao kung hindi nyo kami tuturing bilang isang tao. Wearing our very own Pearl of the Orient, Palawan. Thank you.
Once again, that's candidate number 10, Miss
Kapatid kay naman, kung pagsa ngayon ay makantay. Nakakanta ng Pilipinas, kita-kita na
talo sa nilalaro nyo? Pues, parehas po tayo. Joke lang. Did you still remember the Constitution acts that no one should be fast? I can reach a highest mountain down to the deepest sea. From north to south, yes, from east to west. I can get out from a golden cocoon and step my footprint on the moon. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mama Pat Patricia Monte Carlo Pamintuan, 25 years old stoner, who hails from the heart of pirated CD, DVD, Black Nazarene, Quiapo, Manila, representing the Barangay 386, Zone 39. But tonight, this is a pageant. Hayaan niyo pong gayahin ko ang imahe ng nag-iisang most beautiful faces in Philippine showbiz industry, everyday produced. Yes, your one and only, Miss Sanya Lopez. Sanya Lopez na nagsasabing, if you have it, show it. Mamatay sila sa inggit. Thank you.
That's candidate number 11, Miss Sanya.
Mga bakla! Luma na yan! Etong bago! Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Hey! Ang babaeng nasa inyong harapan ay mas fresh pa sa air freshener. By the way, my name is Miss Rupert Argamaso, 25 years old stunner, all the way from Barangay 276, Zone 25, Binondo, Manila. A graduate of Bachelor of Science in Psychology at Universidad de Manila. But tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name. Ang anghel na nagmula sa langit, bumaba sa lupa. Ba't hindi niyo po sabay-sabay palakpakan at hiyawan si Binibining Heaven Paralejo. Miss Heaven Paralejo na nagsasabing hindi lahat ng masarap ay mahal. Tulad mo, masarap ka naman, pero di ka mahal. That would be all, and thank you.
It is better to endure the hardships of education than to taste the bitterness of ignorance. It has been 10 long years since I last joined John's pageant such as this, but it is good to be back on stage. Hi, hello, good evening, mabuhay. Magkamusta po kayo, ladies and gentlemen? Representing and wearing the colorful and vibrant costume where the crossroads of history, religion, shopping, and education collide, I represent Barangay 310, Santa Cruz, Manila. Standing in front of you is an accounting graduate from the University of the East Manila, a certified public accountant by profession, and finished my master's and doctorate degrees from the Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Maynila, where I am a part-time lecturer of accounting. I am Maria Ida Takahashi, welcoming you all to our district, District 3 of Manila, ang puso ng Maynila. I may not be your Itbulaga Super Serena, nor it's a Showtime's Q&A. But tonight, let me remind you that this will be the night that we will make all history. Thank you very much.
Give a man a fish and he'll live for a day. But teach him how to fish and he'll live for a lifetime. A glamorous evening, switching everyone. Standing in the front of you is a 38 years old age stunner, a freelance wardrobe associate in Philippine film industry. My name is Erwin Hernandez, and I am representing the resilient people and diverse community of Quiapo, Manila. But tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name of your one and only a girl who captured the heart of every man's desire. Opo, ako po ang babaeng minsang nagpatibok at minsan ring nagpaluha sa puso ni Mr. Gerald Anderson. Your one and only white flower baby, Miss Maha Salvador. Maha Salvador nagsasabing, kailanman, ang pagiging bakla po ay hindi naging masama sa mata ng Diyos at sa mata ng lipunan kung siya po ang hindi gagawa ng sarili niyang ikasasama. Maraming salamat po.